Hi everyone, my name is Markus. I work as an accounting manager at Kaiser Permanente, and I love cooking, baking, and of course eating. Last summer, I realized I have been living with severe depression for nearly 3 years. I didn't even know I was depressed because when you're stuck in a deep dark hole, it feels normal. There were nights I went to bed praying to just not wake up the next day. But Sky Breath changed everything. It lifted me out of that darkness. It brought joy back into my life. It's made life worth living again. Even physically, I can now breathe freely through both nostrils. Something I hadn't been able to do in 20 years. At work too, I'm less reactive, more intentional, and more effective. This practice has truly been life-changing. And now you have a chance to learn it directly in the presence of its creator, Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar. Don't miss it. It could be years before this opportunity comes again. May only the best happen to you. Thank you.